Nessentensa. Islanels aan de barrel lof. Eigrich. Gebouwd Fedai. Naam Fedai. Es gelegt diamant ver fallen no nesse is aan de place.
I'll take that bed.
Horan. Schwierig. Es ist so sick nach Schula. Lassen. Du will help.
Kataat, is aan wat kern? How many fingers do you see?
Get that out of my face.
Lou the Clade. He's lucid. Completely recovered. Remarkable.
Where am I?
In a field hospital. On Unvik.
All right. Freeing up this bed.
You must not exert yourself.
Then don't try to stop me.
Es verweirig en wat gern ath braif. Ach, Renald.
In Philippus Orulus scrivin es balla es achbre. Es me ep dirslu.
Es verkreide.
En dra. Nes vios.
Esse godev. Math. Tasil tovian esse quirep clu. Evan, sabame.
En saba?
Ke esse bar in kas. Ep beseta.
Like lim scheisse!
Evan vedrai. Esse quiran propar na tiange snag.
Geralt! Over here!
If you've come to visit, you're too late. Just signed out.
I'm sorry. I tried to find flowers and chocolate, but there were none to be had. Are you all right?
Guess so. You?
Exhausted, freezing, haven't slept in 3 days. But nothing needs amputating, so I shan't complain.
Just curious. Who won?
No one. Once Crach fell, the Skelligers abandoned the battlefield. Emhyr has taken Unvik, but lost so many men in the process he'll not keep the island for long.
Right. So hundreds are dead and things will go back to where they started.
An ordinary day at war.
Where's Ciri?
What? I thought you knew.
All I know is Avalok might have betrayed us.
Come. Triss is next door. Let's grab her, then get the other women. We must prepare a locating spell.
Dat marve es ding? Es denken me?
Vis es it, omdat es koi heb uri fermo verda. Sin los ik hausen es fula in casa.
Orde es orde. Es vajara.
Can we talk?
Yes, so long as you're brief. Sergeant is watching.
Seen an ashen-haired woman?
Here, in the water. Naught but men here. This is war. There was one in the battle, but her mane was red.
Forcing women to fight? Barbarians.
A vixen. What happened to her?
When the ships locked, she jumped on board. Eldar faced her. He hesitated. She didn't. Ran him through with a boat hook. Me, I did not hesitate.
Farewell.
Barbarians.
Esse diese ava. Ik voet ep Sintra, de linga, Yarmeri. Aknath esse der gelik.
Aes Sintra.
Aes anes. Like might am on the vergasetel dus.
Mind if I sit?
No, Master Witcher. Not at all. Fire enough for everyone.
Vodka though. That is a different story.
Looking for a woman with ashen hair, scar on her cheek.
You speak of the one who went after the phantoms.
This again. For the 100th time, Aldrich. That was a vision. You'd been heavy.
Yeah, that's the one. Was she here?
No. During the battle, that was when I saw her. I was in the crow's nest when the sea turned to ice. Who was she?
A witcher. Fighting at Sintra's nothing to brag about.
Is that so? Why the hell not?
No glory in being a butcher.
They should have surrendered, not shunned the hand the Empire extended. They deserve to be punished.
If believing that helps you sleep at night, fine. Congratulations. Looking for a woman with ashen hair, scar on her cheek.
Call me a war criminal, then ask to know what I have seen. Piss off, Nordling.
But nothing's left of the school. Radovid burned the whole of Thanedd to the ground. Thank you, dear. That's plenty.
All the more reason to train new sorceresses. Make it our highest priority. We are a species at risk of extinction.
Which is why Radovid must be our highest priority. No point putting new hens in the coop with the fox still inside. Yes, Geralt. What is it?
Ciri. I don't know where she is.
Again? This is growing tiresome.
Not in the mood, Philippa. Avalach. I think he's betrayed us.
Understood. We can locate her, provided you bring Yen here.
Yen has searched for Ciri in the past, you see. She knows her magical signature, so...
Not interested in the details. I'll go get Yen.
Who will pay your ransom? Relations? Your lord?
Ransom? Good one. Listen, lad. You're not on the continent. And this ain't no nightly tourney. We don't expect mercy from you. You shouldn't expect it from us.
Ah, then you will get the axe on the morrow.
Want to talk? Got a couple of minutes?
2? Yes, but no more.
Their ransom. I'll pay it.
You? What is your stake in this?
Don't have one. Just don't like seeing people die for no reason. How much?
Put your purse away, Witcher. Gesture appreciated. But I'll not be bought like a ram at market. Remove my shackles and fight me for my freedom. Go at it with yous with my bare hands.
You see, it's no use with these barbarians.
Ashen-haired woman, scar on her cheek.
You waste my time. Soldier, show him out of the camp.
Looking for her on the Emperor's orders. Was she here?
No, but should I see one fitting your description, I will report it personally.
Mm-hmm. At ease. So long.
Geralt, you're all right.
Frozen stiff once, almost drowned twice. Got cut up many times, but yeah, still in one piece. Crach wasn't so lucky.
They'll pay him the proper respects. There is that. Emhyr agreed to hand over the body.
Poor consolation.
To you, perhaps. But in Skellige, a good funeral is as important as a good life.
Gods be with you. We've prepared the body, followed your customs, your rites.
Step back. Ivar, John, take my father.
We know your Jarls leave this world with gifts. The Emperor offers this sword. The wild boar of the sea was our foe, but he died a hero's death. Emhyr var Emreis wishes to honor him with a last salute.
Honor? He dares speak of honor! I'll take the damn sword, and vow on my dad's body I will not rest until I take your Emperor's head off with it! Geralt, what? Saw you as my ally. As a friend of Skellige.
I am, but sometimes you have to work with your enemies.
Go away.
It's time.
Something the matter?
Triss, Avallac'h's taken Ciri somewhere. We must locate her.
I understand. Come with me.
In a moment. First, I'd like to give you something. A modest gift.
Nice gesture. Pretty unexpected, too.
Well, I too can be nice, it seems. Triss, not everything's been as it should between us. I felt a peace offering was in order.
A brooch of Kaviri silver. Thank you. But I don't have anything for you.
No matter. I don't need anything.
Yen, is something wrong? Something besides Ciri?
No, nothing. All is in order. Well, we've chatted enough. Wipe away your tears and let's be off.
Nessa marata. Esva angek kwan. Essa burschnit sperde essa nag.
Essa orga. Gevangen essa getan en jarl forklad. Essa fio. Ke wees nois drinkva. Kerter. We'll talk another time, White Wolf.
Yen, the Elder Blood. Why does Avallac'h need it? What's he want from Ciri?
I don't know. Perhaps the same as Eredin wanted? Perhaps his alliance with us was all about taking Eredin's place.
Damn it. I was so hoping this battle would be it. Would be the end. And we could catch our breath. Finally rest.
Oh no, my dear. The best is still to come.
I'm back, with Triss and Yen.
At last, confirmation of your merry threesome.
Save your teasing for later. We gotta find Ciri, now.
If she's nearby, I should see her.
Let us hope. Fringilla, be a dear and hand me the basin. I presume all here know the Venerable Geoffrey Monk's Cantus Locali incantation.
Quit being a diva and get to work.
Took the words out of my mouth.
Sinele hen ikver. Ardane aikun.
Any progress, Lady Yennefer?
We're close, Your Majesty. Tracking the Elder Blood can be difficult, but...
Continue.
I see her. She's still in Skellige. Nearby.
Somewhere on this isle.
Avelian et Seyara, Ranoi ke eskenkoi, es Fidelian innesep irem, Yarinain, and Shed fortuven.
As you can see, Your Majesty, sorceresses can be useful allies.
As a unfortunate,
But we kept our end of the bargain.
I shall consider it a mitigating circumstance.
No! Please, no!
Es jaravar. Essa bluiven lib here. Iskrivse is dit over.
Hands!
They flam.
This must be a misunderstanding. Yen, tell them. You negotiated, obtained amnesty for us.
Bitch. You lying bitch.
Calm yourselves, my dears. If we are to die, let us do so with dignity. I congratulate you, sister. Even I could not commit an act so despicable. Unhand me. I shall walk on my own.
No other way.
No.
Marigold escaped. How shocking. One might surmise she had some help.
One might, Your Majesty, but we mustn't surmise lest we cast blame unjustly. And we mustn't forget, Triss spent the last 6 months evading witch hunters. She clearly had a teleportation spell at the ready were she to be cornered or caught.
Clearly. We will discuss this later. For now, join the search. That is an order.
I don't take orders from you.
You have no choice. One word and my soldiers will take your head.
Kiss my ass, Emhyr.
Esteli dan skip. Order te vergetten, Eredin I fragen.
Ja, Kerze.
Search the beach to start?
What's next for them?
Interrogation, torture, then death, possibly. Philippa, certainly. I'm not proud of myself, Geralt. But as it is, I've risked much by saving Triss.
I understand. We need to focus on Ciri. What do you think Avallac'h wants from her?
Same as Eredin, I imagine. He will use her to open a gate between the worlds.
Where's Ciri?
What? I thought you knew.
All I know is Avallac'h might have betrayed us. What the? That a storm?
Geralt, look!
What the hell's happening?
I find it damned hard to believe, but the gate between the worlds is open. We must reach the tower, quickly. Stop Avallac'h, while this can still be reversed.
What are we gonna find there?
If the tomes are to be believed, nature's laws will cease to hold. Gravity, time, Undvik, all of it will be turned on its head.
Exaggerating for effect, right?
Not one bit. The conjunction of spheres has begun. The worlds, they're aligned, permeate one another. Avallac'h could use this. Bring the NL here, or something far worse.
At least we know where to look for Ciri.
Follow me, and stay alert.
We need to focus on Ciri. What do you think Avallac'h wants from her?
Same as Eredin, I imagine. He will use her to open a gate between the worlds.